Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about SoGoSurvey, which is very nice and easy to use survey user feedback software. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about SoGoSurvey, and also we check up the pricing so you know what you can expect. So, SoGoSurvey is a cloud-based survey provider that caters to small businesses, policymakers, do-it-yourself searchers, as well as individuals. It is an all-in-one data collection and data analysis software that creates online surveys, quizzes, polls, feedback forms across various platforms, including web, SMS, email, and social media. With a range of intuitive tools, question branching, skip logic, inbuilt templates along with drag and drop interface, it helps the user to build personalized surveys from the scratch level. Moreover, its real-time analytical reports provide with a visual overview through chart, diagrams, statistics, comparison reports, cross-tab reports, pivot table reports, and more. It's made for all types of companies, that being small, medium, or large. Also for freelancers, and they are providing very nice 24/7 live support. So you can easily use it for your advantage. And also you can run it in your web browser and also install it or get an app for your mobile phone, that being Android or iOS. So let's check the pricings, where we have four options basically. First one is the plus option, which is $25 a month, billed annually for $299, which is 10 free day trial, no credit card required. Then Pro, which is $66, 688 annually, and also obviously more features. Let me see all the features. Like here, this is even nicer and is easier to read what is everything, what's included. Then we have Premium for $99 a month, and then the Enterprise, which is the biggest package, and everything is unlocked. And also, as you can see, when you go into see all features, you can sign up in the basic form for free. So this is some kind of free forever option that if you're a freelancer or individual and you need to create some service, this is optimal way where you can start with, and easily you can pick sign up. They are just asking you for your email address like this, and you press get started. Here you have to go with your first name, last name, user ID, and user ID should be on my, can have a minimum of 4 and maximum 30. Okay, so let's go like this. And like this, and we hit continue. Then your organization name, go like this, what kind of work you do, education, I agree, GMT +2, yes, create account, okay. Let's go. And here we are. This is a little survey by SoGoSurvey, but you can just click I'm ready. And here we are. We have some walkthrough. Let's go click create project to get started, or find inspiration template bank, or yeah, continue. But most likely What we want to do, let's end the tour. Yes. We can even go to template bank, where I expect the categories will be mostly limited because we are running this free version. Or we can start create project. We can go with the survey, CX project, X project, assessment, or poll. Those little upwards arrows suggest that we should basically upgrade our version, but let's explore the free versions. So we started with survey. With survey, we want to start a new survey and enter the project name. Let's go with tutorial, default language, and create. You can also add more languages if you want to. And here we are. This is our chance to create this survey. So on the left side, descriptive text, then net promoter score, but also we have to upgrade it. What else we have to upgrade? So get this over with. Symbol rating and ranking. So descriptive text, let's go like this. And logo is not optional, and descriptive text. Save. And yeah, you can edit it, you can put it in the middle, or do anything you really want. Then you can visualize it, but let's save it. Then descriptive text. This is not what I wanted to do, so I'll delete it very easily. And let's start with checkboxes. So, do you like tutorials? Let's go with yes, no, don't, no yet. Rest we can easily get rid of. And you can go like include other option and also include none of the above. So we can just save it. And it works like this. There are multiple options. Also, you can go with none of the above. And then you can easily micromanage it. Like if you don't like it, you can drop it, you can add more. And on the top right corner, we can go with preview. With this with this little option. So do you like tutorials? Let's go with yes. You can go with no, don't know yet, and easily none of the above. So you can go with yes, submit, and obviously this cannot be displayed. It's also warned us on the bottom part. It's just a view. So then we have this tablet option. Again, this is only a preview. Your answer will not be recorded. And then how it will look on your mobile phone, which is really, really, really great. So like this, you can add more options. For example, what we have here, like or dislike. Oh no, we have to add page, and they do it like this. If you want to switch between the pages, easily on top, you can go between the pages. So, guys, it's very easy to use. Let me know if you have any types of questions. You can leave them underneath this video, and I'll try to answer you. Underneath this video. So yeah, If you have any types of questions, please leave them and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. I'm sorry for the brain fart. And yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you soon on the next one. Thank you very much and have a great day.